Me? Oh, how can I help you? Oh, wearing a hair system, whether can I wrap on the bike? No problem. You want to know? I share with you. Putting on the helmet, then you must have some accessories. Okay, if not, during the whole Singapore not very big, maybe the longest I say 20 minutes of bike rides, your hair will be flat. You need a bandana. Okay, this bandana I bought at Daiso for bike ridings. You fold the bandana like that. Then take another corner like that. You see, I can do it with one hand. Okay, so just like that. And it's also just like that. It's also okay. Let it go. Ready. Okay, okay, once you have this thing fold up, okay, just put. Yeah, okay. Like the Japanese sushi master chef, like that. Okay, you just make it firm. Okay. Why we are doing this? Because you see, you can see, that's why your hair won't flap. Go GPS 你的 red light. Okay, green light, let's go. Okay, destination reach. Yeah, take out my helmet. Too tight, Okay, hairstyle still there. Okay, now take out. Take out, just a bit. See your hair. Okay, see, my hair never stick to the forehead, the whole head, everything. Still look good, Okay, why am I not? Of course! Oh, nearly fall. Yes. Yes.